And you can feel the wind, though? You can feel the wind, man. But you want to rev it before you go up? You want to rev it before you go up? Get off the ground a little bit.
I'm revving hard up, I can't do it here. You get from me over there, you move in it, way and all that. Then I go there. Are you laughing?
I ain't gonna do that there, big boy. You gonna try to take the safety thing and walk out the ground. I can still hold you down?
I know.
I can still hold you down, big boy. You gonna rev the thing?
Nope.
That first gear?
Yeah.
You gonna put it? Yeah, that got good wind going down. But the second thing is to be on the safe side. Because you can break up glass windows and things.
Huh?
If the blade get away,
Yeah.
the blade ain't strong enough. Up, up, up.
Not yet, boy. Not yet. What the heck, yeah? I don't know how you guys do it, yeah.
Yeah.